Hi, have you ever found yourself in a situation where, during the registration, re-registration, or variations process, you get a lot of comments from regulatory authorities? You understand that you cannot answer them, because the documentation in your registration dossier CTD meet current requirements ICH, EMA, FDA. So, these comments turn out to be critical. As a result, your company closes the project, loses money and misses the opportunity launching of products on the markets. Believe me, I know the companies that had these problems before they started cooperation with me. I am Natalia Rogalewska, and Ph.D. in pharmacy. I have over 10 years working experience in pharmaceutical industry. I'm specializing in regulatory affairs, registration, re-registration, or variations process, pharmaceutical products, RX, OTC, cosmetics, supplements, and biotechnological, regulatory and CMC documentation prepared by me always according to quality standards. I understand all studies from the development, manufacturing, control quality, writing documentation CMC, prepare answers to comments from regulators experts and more, to launching of drug products on the European and ROW markets. Pharmaceutical companies that use my services are confident in the success of their projects. Why? Because one of my basis services is registration dossier audit. The audit is a detailed analysis of the entire registration dossier, modules 1 to 5, including active ingredients, identifying instances of non-compliance. The purpose of the audit measures to mitigate project risks effectively. My expertise lies in fostering a proactive approach that safeguards against obstacles, ensuring seamless project implementation. The outcomes of the evaluation will be meticulously compiled into detailed protocol, featuring valuable recommendations and not only. I have experience to negotiate with regulatory agencies. Therefore, when conducted dossier audit, I don't only check the relevance of its data, but also modulate potential questions that experts from the regulatory authority may ask my clients. One of interesting cases in my practice, the pharmaceutical company has applied for assistance from me as they received comments from regulatory agency in processes registration generic preparation. Comments concerned clinical studies of the generic product that were conducted on an empty stomach. The company received the following recommendations from the expert: it is necessary to provide a justification for why the studies for the test drug were carried out on an empty stomach, or when it is not possible, need to conduct new clinical studies. But even though the comments were critical, and the project was in jeopardy, I decided to take on this work. I conducted a detailed audit of the registration dossier and prepared my answer. The expert agreed with me. I absolutely proved that my client's clinical studies correctly and not require renewal. The project was successfully saved. Client was very pleased with my work. If you needs help with your project, use our services today. Surrender your task to me, the expert, and enjoy a serene night of sleep.